In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on your Wix website. Whether you're organizing a small gathering, a business meeting, or a large online event, Wix provides a seamless way to manage everything right from your site. So let's walk through the process together. First things first, let's start by integrating Wix events into your site. To do that, open up your site's editor. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice an icon that resembles 4 small boxes. This is the Add Apps icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Wix App Market. The App Market is essentially your go-to hub for enhancing your website with various tools and features, making it a versatile companion for your site building journey. Once you're in the Wix App Market, you'll see a search bar. Type Wix Events into this bar. This is the app that will make your event planning journey a breeze. As soon as it pops up, click on it and then proceed by clicking on Add to Site. This simple step integrates the app into your website, setting the stage for creating and managing your events. With Wix Events now added, it's time to dive into creating your first event. Head over to the dashboard of your website and look for the Events section. Here, you're going to manage all aspects of your event. Click on this section and you'll find an option labeled Create Event. Clicking this will kick off your event creation process. Next up is selecting the type of event you wish to set up. It's important to be decisive here because this choice is fixed once you've made your selection. So choose carefully. If you're planning to sell tickets for entry to your event, go ahead and select the Ticketed Event option. This choice is versatile and allows you to incorporate both paid tickets and free tickets depending on your needs. On the other hand, if you simply want guests to inform you of their attendance without using a ticketing system, select the RSVP event. This provides a straightforward way for guests to register their intent to attend. Once you've chosen your event type, it's time to fill in all the essential details. You'll want to provide as much information as possible to make your event both appealing and clear. Consider including the date, time, location, a brief description, and any other relevant details that guests might need. The more complete and engaging your information, the more likely people will be interested in joining in. When you're happy with all the details and everything looks just the way you want it, it's time to hit the Create Draft button. You'll find this option at the top right of your screen. This action sets your event into motion, allowing you to make any final adjustments before officially publishing and promoting it. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added and set up an event on your Wix website. Remember, you can always come back and tweak any details as needed. So feel free to explore and make the most of the Wix platform. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your event planning a breeze.